एक दिन मैं गहरी सोच में पड़ गया था। यू नो व्हेन समटाइम्स वी गेट इनटू दोज डीप थॉट्स जहाँ हम अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हैं। वही सोचते वक्त मुझे लगा कि लेटली मैं बहुत अनहेल्दी और अनप्रोडक्टिव हो चुका हूँ। जो मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स मैं फेस कर रहा था वर लाइक ओबेसिटी। आई वॉज गेटिंग फैट एंड फैट डे बाई डे। देन सेकेंड वॉज माई एक्ने एंड डल लुकिंग स्किन। बहुत अनहेल्दी खाना खाने की वजह से माई स्किन जस्ट गॉट a lot of acne and blemishes. The next problem which was of major concern was giving no importance to time. मैं टाइम को बहुत नेगलेक्ट करता था. I was just used to watch web shows and movies the entire day. And fourth thing was I was becoming sedentary day by day. एक ही जगह पे बैठता था. मेरे बेड पे मैं सोता था. I used to wake up, have my lunch, dinner and breakfast, everything on the same place. वहीं पे shows और movies देख के वहीं पे सो जाता था. So you can understand, you can get a picture of what my life was becoming. So I thought I have to change something, क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा. Then the main questions come, like when to start. So I thought, how about tomorrow? Then thought it's nothing special tomorrow, right? So I should start with Monday. Monday would be a good day and a nice day to start. And I thought, why not first of the second, upcoming month? That would be a nice day, right? I haven't felt like changing on that day too. So I thought I should change. I should finally change on my birthday. That would be the best day to start with something like this, right? Then again, I failed miserably. So I thought the best day finally would be, which was the last option, 1st of January. New year, new me, right? No, wrong. So ऐसे स्टार्ट करने का नतीजा मुझे कुछ ऐसा मिलता था. देखिए,
Twelve seconds later.
आई नो बहुत से लोग इससे रिलेट कर सकेंगे. जब भी हम कुछ अच्छा करने का ट्राई करते हैं, लाइक फॉर बिकमिंग अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ आवर सेल्व्स, वी फेल एट टाइम्स, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. So why does this happen? This question was, haunting my mind. So I started getting as much sources as possible to just get into the depth of it. What is productivity? How to just ace at it. And so thought, जितने भी बार मैंने सब ट्राई किया है, I have failed. So मैं भी जैसे मैं स्टार्ट करता था from the beginning, वो स्टार्ट ही मेरा गलत था. दिस टाइम आई हैव टू स्टार्ट समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग न्यू, अ डिफरेंट मेथड और मे बी एनीथिंग डिफरेंट बट नॉट द सेम. बिकॉज अगर मैंने सेम स्टार्ट किया, आई विल फेल अगेन. सो आई जस्ट डिसाइडेड टू डू इट नाउ एंड आई टुक अ नोटबुक. I gave a heading project Me. I thought I should give it a name. I should give this project a name क्योंकि ये बहुत lifelong होने वाला है, and giving it a name would make it important for me because why not? So I named it Growth Matrix, जो कि मेरे चैनल का भी नाम होने वाला है. I started this 3 months back, that is on 12th of March, and today it is 12th of June. So 3 months have went, exactly 3 months, and मैं ये वीडियो 12th of June को रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. I don't know when I'm going to upload it. I'll upload it soon. So guys, this project has, have proved to be tremendously. I just don't have word to express what I'm feeling right now. I have seen changes, a lot of changes. In the last 3 months, I have lost about 9 kgs of. So in total I was 91 kgs before 3 months, and today I am around 82. The weight just fluctuates every day. So on an average, I have lost 9 kgs. And the second thing, I have, my acne is gone. Not completely, but now I feel it is considerably less than before. And I am much productive than before. I have started giving importance to the time. So you must be thinking what I have did or how did I started, right? So it's not like I'm going to provide you my entire project, like what all things I did in what fashion I did. But every individual is different. So it worked for me, it might not work for you. But there are principles, there are basic principles about doing anything. If you get to learn those principles, you can make a customized plan for yourself, a customized project for yourself, that will be, helpful for you in your own way, as you are going to be the designer of it, right? So the main motto, you can say, of this channel is to provide everything जो मैंने आज तक सीखा है और मैं आगे सीखने वाला हूँ. Not only this, but other stuff too, जो कि आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इन्वेस्टिंग योर टाइम ओवर हियर would not be a waste. I guarantee you that. And this is my first video, so I request you all to be a part of Growth Matrix community, Growth Matrix journey of mine, by subscribing to my channel. And please do like this video and share it with as many friends of yours as possible, because this is a new channel, so I might not get a lot of audience, but you can help me with that. So we will meet soon. And again, on a ending note, this is my first video, so if I have fumbled a bit or I have stammered a bit, I'm sorry for that. Excuse me for this first video. From next time, I'll try to improve the quality of, even speaking and everything. I'll try to improve and do much better. And again, give your suggestions in the comment section, and I need your best wishes. Thank you. See you soon.